I'll show you in this short video how to identify the value of a burned component without the datasheet. Let's begin with the resistors. For example, this resistors we have brown, black and red. This is a 1K resistor. But let's assume it is a burned resistor. You can just look under the resistor. We have 1K. What about this one? We have here brown 1, black 0 and orange means 3 zeros, means this is a 10K resistor. Let's find out. We have here 10K resistor. You can apply the same rule for all components in the motherboard. For example, here we have ceramic capacitors. We have here 104. 104 means 10 and 4 zeros. This is basically a microfarad. Even if any component is burned, we can replace it simply without any datasheet. I hope you understand.